The Golden Gate Bridge, an iconic symbol of San Francisco and California, is a marvel of engineering and a must-visit destination for tourists from around the world. This breathtaking suspension bridge spans the Golden Gate Strait, connecting the city of San Francisco with Marin County to the north. Completed in 1937, the bridge's distinctive, international orange color stands out against the backdrop of the deep blue waters of the Pacific Ocean and the rolling hills of the Marin Headlands, making it one of the most photographed landmarks globally. One of the best ways to experience the Golden Gate Bridge is by taking a leisurely stroll or bike ride across its 1.7-mile span on the designated pedestrian walkways. The views from the bridge are simply spectacular, offering panoramic vistas of San Francisco, Alcatraz Island, and the Marin Headlands. The dramatic fog that often envelopes the bridge adds an ethereal quality to the scenery, creating a unique and unforgettable atmosphere. Photographers and nature enthusiasts will find endless opportunities to capture the bridge from different angles and lighting conditions. For a deeper understanding of the bridge's history and engineering marvels, consider visiting the Golden Gate Bridge Welcome Center located on the San Francisco side. Here, you can explore interactive exhibits, watch informative videos, and browse through fascinating displays about the construction of the bridge. The Welcome Center also provides useful information about the surrounding area and other nearby attractions. If you're seeking adventure, head to the Marin Headlands, where you can hike along the coastal trail and take in stunning views of the bridge from various vantage points. Baker Beach, on the San Francisco side, is another fantastic spot to view the bridge, and it offers a lovely beachfront setting for picnics and relaxation. Another popular way to experience the Golden Gate Bridge is by taking a boat tour of the bay. Many tour operators offer cruises that take you directly beneath the bridge, providing a unique perspective and fantastic photo opportunities. You can also catch a glimpse of the bridge from various angles while sailing around Alcatraz Island or heading out to the open waters. After a day of exploration, be sure to visit the charming nearby town of Sausalito, known for its picturesque waterfront, boutique shops, and excellent dining options. It's an ideal place to unwind and savor some fresh seafood while gazing back at the iconic bridge. In conclusion, the Golden Gate Bridge is a testament to human ingenuity and an enduring symbol of San Francisco's beauty and allure. Whether you're an engineering enthusiast, a photography enthusiast, or simply a traveler seeking an unforgettable experience, this world-famous bridge offers a wealth of activities and opportunities for exploration. The Golden Gate Bridge, with its rich history and breathtaking vistas, will undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on your visit to San Francisco, making it a destination that should not be missed.